What's that?
Hello. How old are you?
Ooh, it's cold. Okay, let's see what everyone's saying. Hope everyone's doing good. So I went to the redwoods and the connection wasn't that good. Oh, jeez. Hello everyone. So scrolling back. Rando Meccas in the empty space. The Johns is back, and the Trio of Kings, and Sport as well, and Ophian. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to, though. You can watch for free. Carlos, thank you for the sub, brother. Yeah, so I was going up to the redwoods, see if we could stream in the forest, or the bush as we call it. No good. Connection wasn't good at all. So we'll just do a normal stream. Daddy OCE, Chur, brother. How are you? Much love, bro. Hey JT, I'll talk to you later. Good night, Chur. Have a good night, JT. All good, brother. George, and the empty again. Thank you guys. You didn't have to. Yeah, later than usual stream. Way later, but oh well. As long as I get a stream in for you guys, I'm happy. Let me get some chisels. Farmer Billiam, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to, though. And how do I say that name, brother? Piyoshi? Piyoshi. Thank you, brother. And Makuzitsume. Jeez, he's got some hard names, man. Really hard names. Here we go. Kapalu, thank you for the sub, man. You didn't have to, though. Emel, thank you for the bits, brother. You're a cool man. Oh, thanks, brother. What nationality are you? Maori. And something else. Not sure what the something else is. I hardly talk to my dad anymore. Okay, whānau, to all my well people out there who watched the Uther cinematic this morning. Hey, the Gaming Hut, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Gatorade flavour. Oh, I don't know, it's a red one. So the cinematic pretty much confirms we're going to see Arthur. But I don't really care about Arthur. The Uther vid was mean. Yeah, brother. Cool video, but I'm waiting for, what's her name? Drucker's one. Thrall's mum. Where you from? New Zealand as well, still alive. Yeah. Broxh, you're a legend. You're a legend, brother. Yep. Heaps of people trying to say well killer with new games that come out. Oh, please don't, man. Hey, Redburn, too, brother. Curious about your ancestral DNA, like. I've been curious as it goes. Yeah, been thinking about it. Just never really had time to get around to doing it. Bubby Master, thank you very much. New place, just new spot. Why no connection with the redwoods today? Just because the trees, eh? So I turned the bag on, turned the live view on, and the bit rate was too low, so I was sitting at like between 400 and 580, and where the sweet money spot is like 4,000 up. Chur, holy hitman. Chur, bro. What time is it there? Oh, it's like almost 20 past 3 in the afternoon. I don't usually stream at this time. Like, ever. I haven't done that. Oh, no. Oh, Sergeant Suicide again. Oh, here we go. Chur Ryan. Hey, Chur Fanta. Yeah, yo, Sergeant Suicide, thank you, brother. Bro, what do you know you don't have to, eh? Go and buy yourself a copy of Shadowlands, brother. Thank you very much, bro. Chur Fanta, I'll get around to sending you those things on Discord tonight too. If you got a gifted sub from Sergeant, can you please say thank you? Saying thank you is quite good to do. Sending love from Florida. Hey, Chur, brother. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, thank you, Broke My Toys. Much appreciated, brother. You didn't have to give those though, brother. It's pretty different seeing old how Uther is now, eh? Well, Bluther, how the world knows him now. Jeez, I think this needs a sharpen. J.S. Will, thank you for the sub, brother. He didn't have to. I moved to Oz as a baby. Tell the story about much love, brother, and thank you. Hey, ghosted you. Yeah, all good, brother. That's why I'm here, brother. Just as well for our people that don't have access to it anymore, or that much, like the rest of our whānau out there. I see there's a new video for Ratchet and Clank too. Oh no, who's this? Oh, anonymous, whoever you are. What are you doing? Thank you, anonymous gifter, but once again you didn't have to, brother. And Misfit Skull, thank you. Don't think I didn't see you in there, brother. appreciate you, brother. Yeah, much love, my brother. Thank you. Hey, Rider's Edge. True, brother. Just cleaning up at the moment. I don't know, I feel like this is still a bit high. Oh, kick-ass mohawks. You didn't have to, bro. Thank you for the bits, though. Chef Kamsey? Jeez, you are too kind. Keep your fellas' money. Oh, Bolter boy. There he is. I got the alert you went live. Yeah, I was trying to go live at the redwoods. But, yeah. The trees are just too mean for the connection. Maybe it's Vodafone, I don't know. Did you get a new place? No, man. Like the shed's just over there. I just don't feel like working in the shed. Nothing wrong with changing the spot up. Love from my home. Hey, brother, is it cold there? Yeah, bit of a pinch in the old breeze today, brother. But she'll be right. She'll be right. So I'm just stirring up these fingers. Hey, good. How's it going? I'm going good, brother. Yeah, try to go stream out at Redwoods today. Let's just say the trees won. Today is my B-Day. Please get a dub on Fall Guys? Bro, I'll try. 330 in Red Dead Redemption 2. Make it higher. No, I personally didn't play the game like that. I was a man of the law. No, I just feel like the story is much better when you play Arthur Morgan like a good guy. That's just my personal opinion. Do you play FPS games? Nah, not really. I'm kinda over Fortnite. I took it off my console. Don't really plan on playing it again. But I mean, some pretty cool skins. I like the Thor one. Just because I'm a big Thor fan. Green Unicorn, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Oh, Bolter boy. Going back to the OG setup. Hey, crazy. Chew, bro. New view. Yeah, I just felt like not sitting in the breeze today. Carving's very calming. Well, that's good. As long as it's calming, that's the main thing. All we're doing at the moment is just we're going to clean the whole thing and then we're going to start drawing up. Is there a haka happening in the background? Yeah, it's just on the speaker. Hold on guys, I'm going to need my brush and rinse just to make the hole softer. One of the other reasons why I'm over here as well is that it's quite dark underneath the shed now. Adonisaurus. Did you get a key for the new world? Nah, bro. I just watched the Brother Panda play it. How's it? Are you enjoying it? Anyone else enjoying the new world? A whole new world. It's that noise, Broxh. Oh, it's just the haka playing in the background, bro. Haven't played, but it looks cool. Yeah, I can see that you can play like you don't choose a class, or from what I've seen, just have like multiple weapons. Just from what I've seen. Yeah. Now is the view okay, guys? Let me know. Ren Nutella, bro, I'm supposed to be doing one soon, but I gotta try and find a brown afro. That's the thing that's holding me back, is trying to find a damn afro here in New Zealand. I found one, but it wasn't the best. You just pick a weapon you like and level it up. Oh, true, brother. Hey man, do you do tutorials? Nah bro, they only, if you want to learn, just come and watch. Yeah, I don't really do tutorials, bro. Just the best one would be just to come and watch and learn like that. Unless you want to apply techniques I use into a carving aspect that you're doing. Chur from Te Awamutu, tēnā koe bro. Can see the piece of art clearly. Oh, that's good. Have you played Pokemon Go? Yeah, bro, I don't anymore. It's kind of boring. I just watch Sword and Shield streams now. I've gone yeah, it's gotten pretty stale for me. I used to play it hard out. I played it on like release. Hope your inspection went well. Oh, it went well, brother, thank you. Whenever I'm near someone who's alone, they should know my past. One bites the dust. Is that a quote from Red? I feel like it is. Hello, my name is Clark, I'm made of books. Good one. I would love to start woodcarving. Any tips? Just start. Make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. No matter what type of woodcarving you do. Happy little accidents, brother. As the man himself would say. Happy little accidents. Okay, we're gonna take the Pioneer Red. The Don Gnome, cheers for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. You didn't have to. Howdalo? Jeez, I'm probably butchering your name, brother. And Bolter Boy with the bits. Just had to make sure I don't miss anyone. If that's just rude. Nah, Bolter Boy, that's enough, brother. You don't have to. Let's cut these fingers out there. Oh no. Oh, come on, bro. Yo, the Don, brother. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, though, brother. Oh. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs, brother. Once again, you didn't have to, though. You can just watch for free. If you got a gifted sub from the bro, say thank you. You never know, what makes his day. Gosh, Ronan, thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you didn't have to, my bro. It's all good just to watch for free. Oh no. Jeez. Sergeant Suicider. Sergeant Bloody Suicider. Thank you, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. Ooh. Spot these ends. Do you carve every single day, and do you do personal projects for yourself? Well, Tony, yeah. I usually carving every day. Have I done a project for myself? Not in a long time. I would love to though. Someone gave me an idea to carve a YouTube play button. And I'm probably gonna do me a Twitch icon too. What? The dawn, bro. That's enough, brother. The dawn. Did someone say Sergeant? Oh God. That's enough. That's enough. Just come watch me push clean wood. Streaming junk. True, brother. So here we passed our house inspection, which was mean. I have my fist fight tomorrow, wish me luck. Oh, why? Why are you fighting? Why are you a boxer, brother? Can we donate? Nope. Adonisaurus again. Oh, gifting a bloody sub. One too many, brother. That's enough, bottle boy. Holy crap. Hang on. Bloody hell. Okay, let me scroll back, make sure no one done any monkey business. Broxh forgot to ask you how hard the game seems. I was watching Summit, he was level 30 taking huge chunks of damage from the level 25 mobs. It's hard, I'm guessing he was playing Classic, brother. The Dawn. Bloody hell, bro. You can listen to me, brother. It's all good. It's free. Oh, wait. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that, my bro. Just come and watch me push clean wood. If you're wondering what the timber is, it's Cody. It's a native timber you can find all the way up north. At least it's not me again. Bloody hell, you guys. Hey, go, Poupou. Took away my day. Bearded Benjo. Hey, glad you're doing well, brother. Keep it up. Thanks, brother. I have many reasons why I'm still going, brother. One of them is because I love what I do, obviously, and you guys, my whānau here on Twitch, and it's fun. There goes the bloody neighbourhood. Okay, the Don. Please no trophy hunting, brother. You don't need the trophies on the stream, brother. The first and the whatever. Much love, my brother. Thank you very much for your support. Just remember the main person you need to support is yourself too, brother. Thank you, brother. No worries at all. Deadeye, thank you for subbing too, brother. Much appreciated. Just remember, if you're new here, look after yourself too. Posta chiku. Do this posture chip for the brother. Loosen up, loosen up. You speak Spanish? Nah, bro. Here we go. Sasha Gray stream. Who's Sasha Gray? Big Lou, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to. What is the weather like there? Oh, bro, it's about to turn bloody sideways, I think. I think it's getting ready to rain. New Zealand term, piss down. Nice to see you again. Hey, Shark Slayer. You remind me of that Will Smith movie. The Shark Slayer. Working like the car wash. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, this is ripping. Why? Hi, full Chur, brother. How are you? What camera are you using for stream? White Sony camera. Bro, I'm no techno genius, brother. I don't know if this is the right one. A white Sony camera, FDR X3000. Full 4K camera. It's night here. Hey, good evening. Chur Silver. Just got out of work just in time. Hey, Chur, brother, yeah, we having a later than usual stream, brother. I went out to the redwoods to try and have a stream out there, but the trees were just cutting the signal out so hard, eh? But oh well. Rip. I never know how much of an ego I am. What do you do with all the carvings? I don't have much here. So 2 big ones are about to leave. Back to my previous employers. How will you react if someone donated 100,000? I'll probably get angry, but at the same time I want to make sure they're okay financially. It's a lot of money to splurge out on someone when it can be beneficial for the person that has it. Just imagine all the WoW tokens you could buy. First stream ever. Hey, welcome, brother. Greetings from Fairbanks, Alaska. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. How's your part of the world? Where's that comment? Oh, I lost it. Oh, I lost it. Ratchet. Oh, dear. Television Warrior. How's your part of the world, brother? Hey, chill, brother. No, man. Hey, Boomer! We got a Boomer! Hey, brother! What's this? Oh, I'm good, man. Yeah. Actually, wasn't supposed to stream here today, but the trees wouldn't let the signal go through, so I'm back home, brother. This is a new carving for the marae. No, this is just the carving. Just fun, having fun. I think Zuki Tashi was thinking about it. Have a good time, everyone. Cheers, Sergeant Suicider. Thank you once again, brother. If you're leaving, just remember, look after yourself first. You live on the other side of the world. Cheers, Maxi. What do you do for fun? Carve, play well, tea parties with my daughter, family time. Yeah. What's the best wood for carving? It all depends on what type of carving you want to do. Like for instance, for what I'm doing, the most preferred timber you want to use is tōtara. It's a native red pine, and kauri, which is this yellow timber here. Those are two native timbers to New Zealand. Outside in the forest, a 4 to 5 booster. Oh, Boomer! Bro, I have no idea what those are, bro, but can you DM me that, brother? Because with the streaming I do, yeah, it's about carving, and but was that linseed or just to loosen up the kauri or the tree because it's quite dry. I want to go out and cruise around with the backpack on too. So like the past few streams I've done Te Puia, walked around Whakatane, where my partner's from, where Mrs. Broxh is from. Hey, Chur Whanau. I think I'm going to Whakatane this weekend, I think. And thinking of doing another meeting house. Oh, alive. 5G gives you cancer. Does it though? Is it confirmed, or is it all conspiracy theories? People that do conspiracy theories about 5G and why you shouldn't use it, I'm like, well, get off the internet then. What was I looking for? That. Nope. Do you even have a head, bro? No. What is this new carving spot north? It's just a bit dark in the carport, and here comes the damn rain. It's not too hard. Oh, perfect timing. To my. Ilaki maketue. Hey man, you think you can show us a haka? Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's Maori Language Week coming up, why not then? Hey, what about that one? BizTeka, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Let me check this rain. I think it's gonna get harder. There's no rain cloud on the way, but you can definitely smell the rain. Hold on. I was playing Ghost last night too. I think I've finished every single mission on the first island, like side mission. So I'll start getting into the main story now. Hey, Thunder! You up tonight, brother? Or soon? Yeah. Should walk us around your town. Too much whoreys, man. Too much wannabe gangsters and yeah. Too much people walking around in their pajamas and their dressing gowns. The mighty snot rocket. Have you played Valorant? No, I have, but I don't really like it. Too much whoreys. Yeah, fire these heaps, eh? At least in Whakatane there's none where my wahine is from. Well, there's the odd few, but yeah. Have you seen the Maori in Civ 6? Yeah, brother, Kupe. So he was the prominent ancestor that discovered Aotearoa and told everyone, I found this place, it's time for us to move on. And thus the migration came into being of all the majority of the tribes, the main tribes. I'm just keeping an eye on this rain. It's just light, but it's all good. So you all know Kupe of the game. Really great navigator as well. Kia ora, Wingo. Oh, everyone's throwing a lot, eh? What are you guys throwing? Your fella's coin. Oh, we got a raid. Hold on. Who's this? Aurelian. Hey, thanks sis for the raid. Welcome everyone from Aurelian's stream. My name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. This is what I love to do. It's a big part of my culture. How, if you're wondering, so you're welcome. Thank you. Welcome. So thank you for that too. So if you're wondering why it's a big part of my culture, We had no written formal language nor text, so the way we had to pass down our myths, stories and legends was through song and dance that you can hear in the background. We were more of an oral culture, so face to face. That's how majority of our stories were passed down, or any kind of song or anything, and through the art form of carving. You should try League of Legends. Oh, too toxic, eh? Too much cool people. Too much self-proclaimed pros in that game. Okay, it might be time to move soon. Just looking at the rain. Oh, my baby's clothes are falling off the line. Okay, I think it's time to move. Yeah, man. All these guys and their parents work for Riot and they're going to get you perma-banned. It's like, oh, there's a lot of people that have parents working at. Just moving everything, guys. Okay. Just making sure the bloody thing doesn't hit anything. Okay, I'll let you guys look at the chat for a bit, eh? There we go. Yeah, man, League of Legends is talks. But I would say my favourite champions, Volleybear. Been playing him since the release of Z. That's when I started playing WoW. Just going back, making sure I didn't miss anything. Love the good stream, suits me a bit better. Oh, look, someone's using the League of Legends emotes as their emotes. Nice. Thank you, XL Coffee, for the sub. 2 months, much appreciated, brother. Didn't have to, or sister, sorry. Playing some good old haka while we toss the war dance action. Okay, carrying on. Guess what, guys? Now that we're under here, the rain stopped. Feels bad, man. Hey, Doxa and Don Veneer and Flies Easy gifting a sub. And thank you, guys. You just didn't have to, though. Damn, yeah, this is ripping quite a lot. I didn't even see it. When it comes to being toxic. So at the moment, brother, Twitch ANZ is sending me 2 new SIM cards. I'm just using Vodafone is back up, brother. So maybe it might be Vodafone. The ones they're sending from Australia might be stronger. Babe, play us another group. A good one. Hello, the mighty albatross. Hey, the mighty albatross. Did you know that that particular bird, I'm holding baby, she's asleep. Richard. The mighty albatross. Did you know that particular bird has a special significance to one of my tribes? So it was actually one of the birds that helped navigate Te Waka o Mātātua to New Zealand, or Aotearoa as I know it. Seabird. And it's called a toroa in our native language, and the captain of the Mātātua waka, his name was Toroa. Cheers, brother. Canadian Flash, thank you for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to. Are they summoning a demon in the background? No. It's in my native language. Geordie, cheer, brother, for the sub. You didn't have to. I played Siege. It is very toxic. Oh, what's funny, Geordie? Okay, that's weird. Yeah, albatross. So he was yeah, so his name was Toroa, so that's the Maori name for an albatross. That's what I'm going to call you. Toroa. The Sublime Titan, thanks for the sub, brother. Appreciate it. And Atman's Blue, thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Have you ever played Valorant or Fall Guys? Yeah, man. I played Valorant for like a week, but I don't really get into FPS games that much. Fall Guys is fun as frick till you play against people that have good gaming chairs and fly over the entire damn map. These damn good gaming chairs, man. Let's drop this down so we can make the face pop a bit more. Gaming chairs, damn hackers. Yeah, man, gotta watch out for those damn gaming chairs, bro. Skynet. So guys, had to go and put another group on. Puma gaming shoes. Hello, Mr. Fungs. So I need a break from all the social justice crap on every single platform. Need a mental break. Egg McGriddler. Man. One thing that might be better too is just taking a break from the internet. That'll help. Are you chilling here? Ain't nobody out here to do that kind of stuff on this stream. We all just come here to chill, really. You watch me do posture checks and and hydrates. How's everyone? We're good, Mr. Fungs. How are you? Rage CTL, thank you for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Had your Tim Tams today. I haven't had those in a few days, Scorpio. Between rage and calm, very right. I'll be keen to show that, just for fun. Sumi Nucky Nucky, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. All good just to watch for free, along with the Lecky as well. Is that a 3D printed phone holder? Nah, brother. This is made out of foam, brother. I carved it with my chisels to fit my phone. No 3D printers here, brother. Thank you, Rage. You didn't have to, brother. Once was enough. Just remember to look after you too. Shed hold of 4,000 pog. I got a random DM from another streamer too saying, you gotta get you a proper phone holder. I was like, you get you a proper phone holder, mine's working just fine. Oh, hydrate, okay. Here we go, brother. Cheers to you. There it is. The diesel-powered GA aircraft. Alright, Flight Simulator, man. Just grab another chair. Is your neck recovered from all those hair flicks? Yeah, brother. Have you watched Haikyuu? That's the volleyball anime. Nah, brother, I haven't. I try not to watch too much anime at once. I just stick to like two or three and just watch those. I'm that guy. Thanks, Kazikage. Yeah, it's one of our cultural groups. I reckon I'd have fun on Flight Simulator too. I'd like dress up as the captain and do like a tour. Pretend we're going over a certain city. All for laughs, eh? That's what it's about. Wicked Overlord. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that. Well, much appreciated, brother. Ooh, we got deleted. Nice, crazy. Yeah, like go like do the full shebang and like sees how he has his like voice changer thing. Bro, I'll go all out for that. Just for fun, eh? Clumsy Pigeon Squad. Chew, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. Finally caught a stream. What's up, bro? Hey, Jed Jungle. Chew, brother. Welcome. But I'm good, brother. Yeah, a bit of a late stream for myself. I don't usually stream around this time. But because the redwoods, the signal wasn't going through the trees. Gotta get a stream in for you guys. So even like off the camera as well, I'm carving even on my days off. If I'm not carving, then I'm usually just or chilling with the whānau. Kia ora Jaros, the lion, tēnā koe bro. Kei te pēhea koe. You excited for your next baby Broxh and all the How to Train Your Dragon marathons in the next few years, bro? I'm keen. I don't mind How to Train Your Dragon. Yeah, so here's something good for you. So on the release date of Shadowlands is the due date for Mrs. Broxh. And I'm like, if you go into labour, can you like hold off for a couple of hours so I can play some WoW Shadowlands? Yeah, so gonna have a Shadowlands, baby. Yeah, true, cousin. OG, how are you? Yeah. Like when I watched the Uther thing this morning, I was like, oh, piss off. Cooch Crusher. Oh, all good, man. I play retail at the moment, but I might get back into classic because I really want to get that 60E just to mark it off. Because I started playing WoW just at the end of BC. Hello, is he too busy? Chew, brother. Yeah. So I'm having a Covenant baby. Nah, we're just calling her a Shadowlands baby. Well, I am. Mrs. Broxh just doesn't. No, she's not. Much better. That's currently the last anime I watched. I rewatched Tiger Mask. At the moment I'm watching Demon Slayer again. Oh, thank you, anonymous person. You didn't have to. Why are the redwoods winning by 1? Oh, because I tried to go stream out there and it was a poor signal, brother. Were you questioned? Was there ever a time where you were questioned for your passion for carving? Yeah, bro, at school. Like one of my teachers goes, you'll never make it. Carving's not a real thing in this world. And I'm about to swear, so I just told him, yeah, get fucked. It's the nicest way I can say it. Oh no. What are you... Oh, P. Jaeger. Come on, brother. Ease dodge. Yeah, come on now. That's so chef. You know you want one. Yeah, so that's what I pretty much said to one of my teachers. And then, yeah, I haven't stopped. Just forgot about him. And I seen him like last year. So I couldn't find one available in his video. I'll sort out for all good, Boomer. Thanks, brother, for the help. Yeah, so I seen my old teacher that said that to me a few years back, and I just seen him and cheer. And this was a after I graduated from the institute. He goes, "Oh, how are you?" I went, "Oh, I just graduated from one of the most prestigious carving schools in New Zealand. What about you?" And that's the only time I ever flexed on someone, or on him anyway. Mr. Takeover, happy birthday on Sunday, New Zealand time, brother, for the near future. More 10, thank you very much for the sub, brother, along with Timlu. Thank you guys, you didn't have to. Yeah, I don't really like to do that, but it felt special doing it to that clown. And then I just carried on, and yeah, don't pay him any peace of mind anymore, just doing my own thing now. Hey bro, where do you whakapapa to? Te ngai tūhoi peke rua tāhuna, tūhoi whānui, me te arawa. Nā te piki au, nā te whakaemo, i roto i te roto iti. Te whānau morehu, brother. Pika ngai tēnei taha o te arawa. Taku whānau i tūhoi ko ngā taputu, Nā mate kuare, waiariki, no. I'm going to sleep, have a good stream. Sure, it's hard PT, you have a good sleep, brother. I'm new, what do you do? I do Whakairo, just that. Side Logic and Praying Mantis. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. What position did you play in rugby? Prop bro, because I just ran straight. I was quite fast for a big guy too. Do you like Piki Kotsuku? Oh, I just love Te Arawa and Tūoi. Or most rōpū. All rōpū I should say that I watch. Okay, this needs a damn sharpen. Or am I just cutting the wrong way? We ever turn donations on? I don't know, stick around and you might see. If not, that's all good too. It's not important, brother, just come and watch. If you want to donate, brother, if you know the coding for when the Zolian tiger drops in the black hell, the black market auction house. Get at me, my bro. Izzy all the way. I'm always going to support Izzy because he went to Boys High here in Rotorua and he represents New Zealand and Nigeria as well. But you have such an incredible talent from your culture. Is there any passage or story that resonates with you the most? From this art form, brother, I would say the origins, from where it came from. Now, I've told this story before, I don't mind telling it again, just let me know, and I'll tell you. Taika Waititi actually started following me on Twitter too. I was like, holy. It was the day that Red Bull thing went live. Please tell again. Okay. You know, I'll just do this. I'll just clean this brow. Just all the scratch marks. Just know it's a bit of a story. And I don't mind telling it, repeating it. I'll repeat it anytime. I don't mind. Yeah, the real cork followed me. Okay, so I'll just turn the thing down a little bit. Do you want me to carry on carving, or do you want me to point the camera up? The old Facebook, eh? I feel like it's the Bebo of the internet now, old Facebook. Hold on, guys. Keep carving. Okay. Now, so to understand where carving comes from, we gotta go right back to the beginning, like right back in our culture of the separation of Ranginui, Sky Father, and Papa Tuanuku, the Earth Mother. Now I'm gonna tell this story also with two particular carving tools that were part of this story. Now it all begins in the beginning of our Maori time, so I'm speaking for Maori, no one else. It all started with Rangi and Papa Tuanuku, and they had many different children, the gods, so they were in an internal embrace, if you will. So they were hugging each other for their entire lifetime. And they're still alive, so not their entire lifetime. But they had many children stuck between them because they were hugging. They had nowhere to go. And now, if you take it into like the scientific terms, if you will, so you put your hands together, there's going to be nothing but darkness in there, and that's where it starts. The great darkness. And then before we carry on, they had many children. So the eldest of them all was Tāne Mahuta. Now he is the god of the forest, the trees, all bird life, some bugs as well. And he did many different feats within his life as well. Even brought the first human into the world. But we're not going that way in the story. And then he had many other siblings, so one being Tāwhiri Mātea, who is the god of winds and storms. And then Tangaro, who is the god of the sea. Now he's the Atua, or the god we want to pay attention to after we carry on. Thank you B1 Hoot for that. It didn't have to. So carrying on, we have other gods like Haumie Tike Tike, and who is the god of uncultivated food, so wild food. Also Rongomatane, who is the god of cultivated food, but also the god of peace as well. And then Tu Mātauranga, who is the god of war in our culture. And who else do we have? Ruaumoko, who is the youngest out of all the children. So he's actually still in his mother's tummy. He's an unborn god baby, if you will. And so there were many more. But carrying on with the story, so one day the siblings all had enough. They wanted to separate their parents. But there was only one that was opposed to it, and that was Tāwhiri Mātea. Now with him, he goes, no, we should stay with our parents, leave them alone, do not separate them. But every other sibling, righty party, thanks for that, man, you didn't have to. Every other sibling said, yes, let's do it. So they all had a turn at trying to separate their parents. So if you can tell, one just tried to push, so he put his legs down to his mother, and then pushed up against his father and tried to push them apart. They didn't even budge one bit. And then even some of the gods tried to team up and do it, but obviously they didn't budge. Every god tried, except Tawhiri Mātea and Raumoko, because ain't no baby going to try and separate their parents. So the only one that was last was the eldest, now Tāne Mahuta, who was the god of the forest and many other things. So what he did, he laid down onto his mother and put his feet up against his father like a leg press and started pushing. So if you can imagine the Big Bang, how there's no darkness, so Tāne Mahuta is pushing his parents apart and light is starting to creep in, and then slowly going, and then he fully separated them, and that's the Big Bang for scientists and other people. But for us it was the separation. Now, including the carving side of the story as well, there were two adze blades that came out of the separation. Now, one was Te Awhiorangi and the second was Te Whironui, and they used these two particular adze blades to separate 4 different points of the appearance. Kind of like, I would just call them vines for now. So they had to fashion handles for these tools. Now, obviously they didn't have trees or anything around, so what they used, they killed another god by the name of Taupeka. They killed him, ripped out his intestines, cut his legs off and used the bones as handles. So if you look at a leg and then you place the blade on, they lashed it with the intestines and fractured his skull and used a fragment of a skull to wedge it onto the handle of the leg. Yes, so they used these two adze blades to go and cut these 4 points, and then they fully separated. Now when the separation occurred, obviously Tāne Mahuta was pissed right off. Tawhiri Mātea, sorry. Started throwing lightning everywhere, winds as well, and he pretty much declared war against his siblings for the rest of until the end days, I would say. So if you can tell how lightning and any other aspect of the storm batters the land, that's him punishing his siblings. And out of that anger as well, what he did was he ripped out his eyes. I tikaro hia I ona kanohi. So tikaro means rip. And he threw them to his father. Now as they were going up to his father, they separated and created Matariki. Now Matariki is a star constellation that indicates the Maori New Year. And you may know it as Pleiades. So yeah, that's that. Now fast forwarding a few, whatever god years if you want to call them. So what happened next? As Tāne Mahuta was creating the first man or lady, he climbed the 12 heavens to receive the baskets of knowledge for mankind. Now we have 12 now, some say 13, some say otherwise. It all depends on the tribe, I guess. So he climbed up the middle of the 12 heavens to learn every aspect of each heaven. And there was another god that was in pursuit of the baskets as well. He was an evil god. His name's Whiro, god of mischief, negativity, bad things as well, like mosquitoes and all that. So if you picture the 12 heavens, say this is the middle. So Tāne was climbing up the middle, and Whiro took the short way and tried to climb on the outside right to the baskets. But obviously it didn't work because Tāne got them first. But when he reached one of the heavens, he noticed the structure in the background. Obviously being intrigued by it, he went to go check it out, as any curious person would, or god in his instance. And as he got closer, he could hear a voice from this particular meeting house. thought he got beaten up and got them ripped up. I don't know, there might be all one, but he ripped them out himself. And yeah, so what happened as he got closer to the structure in the background, he got closer and could hear something talking, and he got to it, and it was a wharenui, a meeting house. So you'll notice a traditional meeting house in our culture. If I get the chance, I'll go and show you one this weekend. And he's trying to find out where the voice was coming from. He's like, what the hell, where is it? As any confused person would be. And it was a Poupou kaiawha. Now the Poupou kaiawha is the carved statue that sits out the front in the middle of the meeting house outside. Now that particular carving was used to like block out all the negativity when visitors came in. And if they didn't have that particular carving, they'd get the top warrior of the tribe to sit out there and guard. But going back to this carving, Tāne Mahuta realised it wasn't a person, but the carving itself was talking. Then he asked, oh, as anyone would, what's this? What's this building? Yeah, tēnei. And yeah, the structure told, the carving told him, oh, he wharenui. He goes, oh, right. I'm just trying to explain it in a good way. So what he does, he called out to his brother Tangaroa, told him to come up and check it out. And so he came up, and then he asked if he could make something similar to the wharenui that he's seen down on the earth. And they goes, yeah, all good. As siblings do. So I'm just trying to explain it in a good way. I don't know if they exactly talk like that. But so fast forwarding to Tāne Mahuta, he received the baskets. Now we're going to Tangaroa. Now he has built this particular wharenui or meeting house on the planet, or on Earth, or whatever you want to call it. And he named it Hui Te Anganui. Now all his children used this particular meeting house as shelter during the night, and the ones that guarded it was Ruamano and two Tarakauika. Now they were guardian whales. Now I'm just going to turn I believe that two Tarakauika was his name. Might be wrong. So if you picture a meeting house, at the top or the apex you have a face, which is a mask. Then you have barge boards on either side, which are the maihis. Now those are his arms. And on either side you have the amals, which are the legs. Now if you can picture our ancestor like this in a welcoming manner, that's how our meeting houses were built. Just like our ancestor, the anatomy of the human being, that's how they're structured. So from that, we fast forward to humans. To man, or whatever you want to call him, to our tupuna rua te Poupou. So he was the first person, or the first carver in the history of Maori people. And so one day him and his son went fishing, and they went down to the ocean, and he brought down his lucky fish hook. Rua te Poupou did. They went fishing, and his son Manuruhi noticed that was catching a lot of fish, like consistently every time. And as a kid does, you get jealous. And so what happens after that? So Rua te Poupou had caught his haul for the day, and his son asked if he could stay back and use his hook. And his father agreed, and what he said was, when you catch your first fish, make sure you give it back to Tangaroa as an offering, because you're going to take his children as food, obviously. And obviously being a kid, he went, yeah, whatever. And then he started fishing. And then from what happened then, Tangaroa noticed that he wasn't following the guidelines or the rules that tikanga is what we call it, rules or guidelines, that his son wasn't following. So what he did, he pulled the line and he dragged them down to the bottom of the sea, where this particular meeting house is. Now going back to Rua te Poupou, as a parent does, gets worried for their child, wondering where he is, and so he went to the spot where they were fishing. Noticed that the drag marks were leading down to the sea. Now, there's other variations to the story. Some say that Manuruhi was Tangaroa's son. Some say, so I'll stop there, because it doesn't stop there. Hey, a rice gill. Thank you for the raid, much appreciated. I'm just telling a story about carving in our culture, but much appreciated. Thank you for the support. Welcome everyone. My name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and it's cold. But carrying on from the story, so obviously he noticed the drag marks into the sea, and so he went into the sea to go looking for his son, as a parent would, worried for their child. And so he travelled the sea looking, couldn't find him, until he noticed a building, just like how Tane Mahuta noticed a structure from a distance. And then as he got closer and closer, he started to get more intrigued and confused at the same time, thinking, why is there a building on the seabed floor? And as he got closer, he noticed the carving at the top with obviously a bubble trail, losing your breath. And what happened from there is he noticed that his son didn't listen, and he could see him at the apex of the meeting house turning into a carving. So two particular things you can put at the apex of your ancestral meeting house can be a carved face, or a carved statue or figure, or you can be both. Yeah. So he knew straight away, as I need to find a way to get my son off. And so what he did, he waited till the night, until all Tangaroa's children came back into the house to rest, and that's when he came up with the plan to seal every exit of this meeting house except the door. And so what he did from there, don't at me on this, he actually set the meeting house on fire down on the seabed floor. And yeah, I don't know how he did it, but our ancestors had mysterious ways about them, and they still do. And yeah, so if you can imagine, fire, got to get out fast, and only one way they could get out was through that particular door. And so they all ran out. The first one to run out was the octopus. So what he did was smashed all its legs, and now the octopus, as you know it today, has no bones in its legs whatsoever. The flounder, he hit it so hard on the head, it's flat. So it's like that now. So the eyes, even though the flounder's born with both eyes on either side, they eventually shift to one side. And then one that was in there too long was the snapper, and he got burnt. And these two guardian whales weren't there at the time, they had gone to do their thing. And yeah, so when all the children escaped, from that point on, he could hear two voices in the meeting houses, on the meeting house. And so he ran closer, and he was looking around trying to find people in the meeting house, but it was actually the carvings that were talking. So two particular carvings, their names were Whiri and Whira. So they were some of the most amazing, beautifully carved pieces that he ever saw. But unfortunately the flames engulfed them, and he couldn't get them so they could tell him how to carve. That's why our carvings don't talk. So he took the carvings from the outside and his son back up to the surface, and what they did was they visually replicated from the carving onto the wood. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a snippet of a story from carving. I'm going to put on my jacket now. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Daffodil Day. Don't forget to get a daffodil, folks. Support the Cancer Society. Help them fundraise. How do you take care of your hair? You wash it. Okay. Thank you, and number 3 Asian gifting subs. Hey. Much appreciated, guys. Okay, I think I'm all caught up now. So we'll carry on. How's it going? Oh yeah, it's going all good. Just had some story time. Story time! Hey, Chur and Phoenix. How you, bro? Oh, yeah, I think I just gotta send those things for Te Wiki. It will be all good. Doing good, man. Oh, nice. $500 subs. Where? No. Jeez, don't give me a heart attack like that. Bloody hell. How long does it normally take to finish a carving? Well, it all comes down to the carver and how much they put into it. So, take me for instance. This might take me a few weeks doing it on Twitch. If I did it on my own, probably less time. Candian Live and Dot Square. Thank you guys for subbing, much appreciated. You didn't have to though. Yeah, that Hitman one is free on Epic. I'm gonna be heading to bed. Hey, all good up now. Can't wait. So super chill. Yeah, all good. The gaming hut. Thanks for chilling with me, brother. What? 500 subs? Where's all this 500 coming from? Waltz Dog and Miss Small Block, thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Do you sell these beautiful figures? Yep, but I think I've found the buyer for this one. Was it not to do this time last year? Can't wait to come back to your country when we can. Yeah, once Rona's fully gone, eh? I feel like it's going to be another year, eh? Then someone will come up with a vaccine and then they'll get sick off that and then make an off branch. All you have to do is just eat your 5+ a day, wear your mask and make sure you're eating good food and staying home inside playing some good games. That's all it takes, really. That's what I was supposed to be doing, putting music on. So song playing? I think I might have to end stream soon and go and pick up my sister-in-law. Kinda don't want to though. Kinda don't want to though. Having too much fun. No, not COVID Tracer app. Gah. SoundCloud. Jeez, takes a bloody long time to get to one place, eh? Okay, carrying on. How's the level 3 in Auckland box? I'm not in Auckland, brother. I'm in Rotorua. But yeah, I'm in level 2 as well. Thank you, Mystic Butter, for subbing. Didn't have to, brother. My cousins just jumped on SoundCloud to start doing beats again too. So I think I'm going to play his stuff as well. It was chilly out there. Oh, it definitely is, brother. Yeah, no, I kind of don't want to go.
Fuck this fucking horse playing the piano sample, G. What the fuck?
How's your day, mate? Ah, all good, brother. Yeah, sweet ace. Please, still smiling and doing the thing that makes you smile every day. Thanks, man. OP night, chew, brother. I have your streams. This is my second time watching the stream. I'm watching with my brother. Oh, nice. Shout out to you and Subtraction and your brother. Chew, bros. Surely a rating. Nah. It's just my attention's on the road, brother. That's about it. New Zealand's looking a bit rough. Ah, yeah. It's expected, eh? Like, I was expecting another big thing like this to happen. Okay, I think, yeah, this does need another sharpen. Ooh, jeez. Hopefully the bro's all good, eh? The bro spell. He's doing really well on Twitch. D-Sale Marvelous Creations. Commission style. So I'm pretty much all booked up now. Yeah, pretty much all booked up. I only do 5 at a time. So I've got to get me like a journal thingy, a man book, so I can write them down. But what I'm going to do with these commissions, instead of just giving them the piece, I'm going to give them from start to finish, like on the paper, print it out on the paper or something, like a art that they can frame, but also the process of their pieces as well. And I'm going to do a letter. I'm old fashioned. I like doing letters for people who, yeah, show kindness and want a piece. It's the best way to do it. Yo, 2 big and that's chili. Thank you guys for that's chili with the bits and 2 for the sub. Much appreciated, guys. I might have corona and only you can, bro. All I can say, brother, is I hope you don't. I really hope you don't, brother. And speedy recovery. Just make sure you check in with us all the time, brother. That's what we're here for. We're all one big family in this stream, brother. Really hope you don't have the Rona, brother. Gorhan TP, thank you for subbing, brother. And Tyler the Created. Much appreciated, guys. What's your favourite type of music? Probably reggae. Definitely reggae. Play some music. It's a reggae music. Hold on, just making sure I didn't leave you behind. Back up. been watching you on YouTube. Oh, nice, brother. Oh, Suppression. Bro, you don't need a sub, brother. You just come and watch and come chill and talk with us. All good, brother. Don't worry about it. You just worry about recovering, eh? That's your sole focus, is recovery. Mr. Juice, much appreciated too, brother. Just got a code. Nope, I don't have it. Oh, as long as you don't have it, eh? That's the main thing. In a time like this, I don't think it's cool to joke about it if you do. Like, yeah. Like, that's pretty much respiratory problems you're gonna have for the rest of your life. Okay. So I'll stand them up so you can see. So it's pretty much just cleaning so we can draw this bugger up. There he is there. So this is all done in Mahatatsu style. So if you notice, this particular tribal style is quite flat and simple designs. One characteristic that stands out is the elbow. So it's not a flowing arm. The elbow, also the cheeks as well, so it's just quite a small mouth. And the particular way that the eyes are cut too. But yeah.
I can play high.
I have to go and pick up my sister-in-law now. And she should just walk. I mean, if I can walk everywhere. Hey! Don't really want to finish, but yeah, as you all know, family first. Sorry for the short ass stream, guys. I mean, it is her car, I should say that. Yeah, it is her car. So okay, what I'm gonna do now, you all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go host someone. Or raid, sorry. Or raid, host, tomato. But thanks for the chill stream, guys, even though it was quite a short one. When will you stream next? Probably tomorrow. Definitely tomorrow. If I'm in Mrs. Brox's hometown, we'll go and check out a meeting house, hopefully. Hopefully. But yeah, that's gonna be us for today, guys. Much appreciated. Pai Singh, thank you, brother. Much appreciated for the sub. You didn't have to. But, use these. Listen. Thanks, guys. I've gotta go and turn it off on the PC now. Aroha nui, much love to you guys, and make sure you eat your dinner and have a good sleep. Cheers.